Brad Horton with Hendrick. I wanted to go over the Longhorn that I have in stock. I'll send you the window sticker for the one that we're talking about, but I wanted to go over this one because it was here. A few of the things I wanted to point out for you on the Longhorn. Now this is a two-tone. We do have the monotones as well. It does come with the upgraded grille. You can't really see them well in the video because it is nighttime now. We've got the HID headlights with the LED turn signals and marker lamps in them, as well as the fog lights. One of the nice things about the Longhorns is they do come with the front parking sensors and the Alcoa wheels as standard equipment, as well as the tow hooks up here in the front. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about being used to Chevrolets is the Cummins turbo diesel. This is a 6.7 liter inline engine. The inline engine allows us to put it lower in the frame rails, reducing the center of gravity of the truck. The inline engine is also a lot more durable than what we find in the V's, like what we find in the Chevrolets and Fords. It is a twin battery system. We've got both of them here. This one is hooked to an Aisin heavy-duty automatic. The Aisin heavy-duty automatic allows for the 900 foot-pound of torque output that we see out of this particular Cummins turbo diesel. These are your Alcoa wheels. They are a solid forged wheel that we see here. This one also has our running boards on it. Now this is an 8-foot box, which is what I'd recommend for what you're going to be using it for. Back here in the back, we've got the rear sensors, the backup camera on the tailgate. I'll also show you the one that is a high mount up there in the third brake light. We'll go over that from the inside of the truck here in just a second. I did want to show you one of the new 2016 features, which is LED bed lighting. The button's right here below your normal headlight switch, and it lights up the bed. This is going to be especially nice with your fifth wheel or gooseneck, and we can see the prep package there. So it's ready for a fifth wheel or gooseneck to go ahead and be dropped in. And back here in the back, I don't know if you can see it from right here, we also have the plug-in for your trailer wiring in the bed as well. Now one of the nice things about the Longhorn package is in here we've got a saddlebag on the back of the seat. We've also got a little bit different scrolling than what we see on the others, as well as the Longhorn emblem embroidered in the seat. This is a load level floor. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it in the video here tonight. But it is a fold flat level floor across the back if you want to put luggage back here instead of people. It is also a 60-40 split on the seat, with the integrated cup holders there as well as in the floorboard. We'll also see coolers for 8 drinks and ice in the floorboard at the back. And right here we have the rear heated seats as well. Now this one in particular has the Alpine sound system with the sub and amp underneath this seat right here, and the additional speakers up top. Some of the new features on the 16 Ram are the ability to activate the backup camera and rear cargo camera. And I don't know how well you can see it in the video here, but we have a backup camera that shows the bed, as well as one that is on the bumper. Now the nice thing about the bumper mount is those lines that we see there are active. So as we turn the steering wheel, those lines will move and show us where we're going to go, as well as where we are. And then you have the one in the bed for lining up your fifth wheel or gooseneck hitch. It also has a 7-inch TFT display that we see here, with available user inputs and settings for whatever kind of information you'd like to show up there, whether it's tire pressure, transmission temperature, as well as the ambient ones as well. Now this one only has your automatic headlights. The other one that we're looking at has the rain sensitive windshield wipers, and with that same rain sensitive windshield wiper group we also get automatic high beams. So if we turn our high beams on, actually this one's got it, we can see right there. It will automatically turn your high beams down as you approach another vehicle. We do have a proximity key here with a push button start and remote start as well. This one has your 4-wheel drive, shift on the fly electronic transfer case that we'll also see in the other one. Now, one of the things that this one doesn't have that the other one does that we were looking at is it's got the auto leveling rear air suspension. The auto leveling rear air suspension will pick up any sag that the back of the vehicle has with a heavier weight. Right here in our controls, we've got our heated seats, our air-conditioned seats, and heated steering wheel. And we've got those for both driver and passenger. They will also automatically come on based on outside ambient temperature. So anytime it gets below 41 degrees outside and you remote start your vehicle, it'll go ahead and turn on the driver's heated seat and heated steering wheel for you. Above 80, it'll turn on the air-conditioned seats up here in the front for us. One of the things I did want to go over for you too is our new 8.4-inch Uconnect system. This is it right here. We have AM, FM, and satellite radio. One of the nice features about the satellite as well, we can favorite a song or artist. We can tag it for iTunes. We can also rewind and replay live radio. Bluetooth streaming audio, as well as Pandora, Slacker, and iHeartRadio available apps. Now, one of the things that I really like that Ram's done with these trucks is you have 2 settings and 2 sets of buttons for all of your climate control. It's available here on the touch screen, or down here as manual hard button controls. Now, when we go to the nav on this truck, it is a Garmin-based navigation system. Absolutely the best navigation system on the market. We've got a where to feature here with address, points of interest, as well as the go home feature. And one of the really nice things that it's got as well is geo coordinates. So if you're going to a campsite or something that doesn't have an address, we can enter it there. And it's also got a trails feature here that will record where you travel and bring you back to it. We also have a phone here that will reverse search most listed phone numbers and will take you to that address. Now, it is a Garmin-based navigation, so it is very, very good. It will also do things like warn you when you go over the speed limit, route you around traffic accidents and incidences, such as road construction. Now, right here, I've pulled up the app screen. One of the nice things about the 2016 is we have drag and drop icons, so I can do something like place the cargo camera right here on the touch screen, so it'll pop up when driving. You also have apps